Hi, it's Judith here. If you've ever been stranded on the side of the road due to a car breakdown, an accident, or some other kind of emergency, you're going to want to stick with me today because our friends from Energizer are back with some portable lighting solutions for your car. Got your iced tea here.
Thank you.
So listen, I've never really thought about equipping my car with portable lighting. So what kinds of things should we be thinking about?
So safety is so important for you and your loved ones. So good visibility and lighting is really important when you're on the road for your safety and others around you, especially for passing cars.
It's sounding already like my little cell phone flashlight is not going to cut it for something like a car emergency.
Energizer has a lot of great solutions, and you want to save your cell phone battery in case you need to make a call in an emergency.
That's very true, because what if your car is dead?
Exactly. So the first one is an automotive safety flashlight that was specifically designed to be in your vehicle for a few reasons. So it is very multifunctional.
Okay.
It actually has a seatbelt cutter as well as a window breaker in case you are really in a bad emergency situation.
Very practical.
It has multiple modes, including a strobe mode, which is a great be seen feature.
Oh, let's see that.
So if you flip through, that third mode there is a strobe mode.
There it is.
So no one's gonna miss you on the side of the road. And there's also a magnet on the end, so if you are having to do a repair on your car, that's a great hands-free solution as well. And it's rechargeable, so you can charge it directly in your car. You never have to take it out of your car. So the next light we're going to talk about here is a tactical light, but this one is really unique and exciting because it actually has a digital power indicator on it. So depending on the mode that you choose, you can see your different battery life, and it also shows the percentage of your battery life, just like a cell phone would, so you know exactly how much runtime you have left, so you can preserve it depending on what your emergency is.
Oh, wow. So on the lower setting, it's going to preserve more battery in case you need some light whatsoever. And the fact that it's rechargeable and you can see how much charge you have left, you can really use it wisely.
So our next products that I want to show you are our hybrid solar lights. So we have both a flashlight and a lantern that have built-in solar panels. So it's hybrid because you can either charge it via the solar panel in the sun, or you can charge it via USB if you want a quicker charge, but then you can run them on either the built-in rechargeable battery, or you can put AA batteries in for backup power, so you have even more runtime.
Oh, that's wonderful. So they've covered all the bases with making sure that it's charged, and it's also hands-free, great lighting capability. I like how you could even put this on the patio at night if you're not in an emergency, you just want to enjoy the evening.
Absolutely. And what's great about the flashlight is it actually has a charging port. So it becomes a power bank and you can charge your devices, whether you're sitting on the patio or you're in an emergency situation and your cell phone needs a little bit more charge.
And I love the fact that both of these have that solar option, because that is the last resort of charging if you really don't have another power source. There's so much practicality and thoughtfulness behind these products, and even though it's a safety product, it's also practical.
You can use it for many situations.
Yeah.
So the last essential to have in your car is a headlamp. So we know it is very important to have both of your hands free if you're in an emergency situation. And most of our headlamps have a red LED, which preserves night vision, but it has multiple modes. So no matter what your situation, you have the right lighting option.
So cool. And I like how you can even take this outside in the evening when you're going for a walk in the park and you need a little extra light or safety there. Why do you say we take these and put them in the car?
Sounds like a great idea.
All right, great. Everything you've seen today and more is also available to purchase on Amazon. For more information on today's portable lighting solutions, visit Energizer.com. And you can always go to our website, designingspaces.tv. See you next time.